My people, if na hear wetin happen to Edo State government officials on ourselves go laugh. Then these people, you know all this kind of government wey dey talk say make una do road, make una do road, una no go hear. Na there this kind thing na come catch them o. They talk say then these government officials they carry the Edo State governor motor go one place say they wan go ransack abi they wan go do research about the whole environment. Na there motor come daku for the place. Motor say move, motor say I no go move again. Na here I go die put. Make una watch the video abeg.
This is government motor that sick along this road. We came to Ewatu to inspect the road ongoing the project at Ewatu, and as he got to the junction after the inspection, he was asked to take the direction of this road down to the express. As he was going along the road, when he got to the bus spot that the community had been complaining about, he got sick. And everybody, including the community, we all putting hands together to ensure that the vehicle that belongs to the East SNS, the governor of Edo State, being removed. And as you can see, people are doing their best to ensure that the motor is being removed from the pits. This is a new road we have been complaining about. We seek for the help of the governor to help us to do this road for a very long time. As we can see that.
I don't see wetin dey happen. See wetin government they talk government say do road, and I go talk say una no go do road. See this one now they talk say they come out I don't know they won't go do inspection for Eware, for Eteska, Abina Etsaka, West local government say na that area and they won't go do that thing for Edo State. See as they reach there, see mud for inside road. How motor want to pass this kind of thing? And I sure say people go down they complain about this whole matter say government this road no good, this road no good. But government go they hear this thing, they come out for 1 year. As the thing they happen, they don't go do like say that they hear. As the thing don't come affect them now, and then they will come think I say they won't come. Which place they won't go inspect? In fact, person will even tell them may they pass this road. In fact, Oga, thank you. Because I know say use them, show them, say, may they use and learn lesson. Government going to look at their house no near this kind of place and their village no near this kind of place. Now, as it happen to them, you go suppressing and now they go do this road. See, as person will even fall down because of say they won't pull motor, government motor. And they thought as this whole thing happen, even them, as they pull this, they don't even feel come outside. These government people even try, this local government people, they even try. They try help this man push this motor. They fall leave them. So that you go know what people they face. You know how many times people go they pass this road, they go do business. When they say they go they do stock inside this mud, inside this porta way there for this place. And nothing where they go do. They go write letter give on a no go here. On how to embezzle money. Government go say today they don't do birthday. They don't do party. Carry money, travel, go abroad. But the basic amenities of things where they supposed to, they no go do them. Things what they supposed to do for the street, light or this, they no go do. They go leave it, make the thing spoil. If the thing no affects them, they no go talk about them. As this one, if say this thing no affect this man motor, I should say for 100 years to come, now so this road go still be. Nobody go even dey concerned about this thing. I make this whole thing safe. The thing is sweet me as be say this man motor. I wish say the motor even they stock enter ground inside this whole thing. Because on I know what thing they do. These government people, they know what thing they do. Government, if you don't give them money, say, okay, do this circle road. But because of say their own selfish reasons, they go decide, say, no. They won't keep this money inside their own pocket. They won't chop this money. They no go reason them. They go use the money to go do another thing. As it affects them now, another time they will come and say, youths, don't they shout for their head, say, they no do road. In fact, these youths, they too come. Now here, they're supposed to shout for their head. Seize that motor. See, as the motor don't spoil for you, make yourself see the pain, feel the pain where people they feel. You know, as people go they also to us, maybe this road self now one major road to go this kind of village. If you one kind major road to lead to many businesses, but as the road no good, nobody they agree pass there again. But as God won't catch and I make myself come go pass there, come go see what people they face. Government people make na they do now work. Make una dey work. If na work, make una find give people for the land. If na water, make una fix. Make una no just dey chop this. Now make later. If na come out and say, una wan come contest for this one, nobody go answer una. Because nobody go see the good way una don do. People go dey reason and say, when una dey in power, una no do anything. But we know as our government be, wuru. I no go surprise say this man go still even come outside. They go still vote for other places. But at least look into places where we say their road no good. Places where we say they no get this basic. I no go some land say they no even get school. And government no go do anything. School where they go even get a grant, now they go they sit down on top. When they fall, students go there inside, sit down inside wet class. To even go school safe, they go they cross river to pass go school. And government no go do anything about them. This one now reverse now be the case for this whole issue. Because if this one no happen to this man, I should say, make we even see where they even do the road. Forget say this whole recording where they show where this man they talk say and they say make they do and they don't do one. Make we can't even see where they go even still do one because this one where they talk say they inspect. Which road they go inspect? Now the same road they go inspect have been another thing where we say go they beneficial to them. Now they go they check. Government people I beg go make now they do in our own work. So that one day na no contact say people no like una. No be say people no like una because na no they do na work as the work suppose be. Na no go do am. Na make people they vex. Na make people they para. All this kind of thing na they bore you heart. When we say you go come outside they protest they do all this kind of thing. All this kind of reason na they add to all this kind of thing. My people are hear this one. I can't make I bring and come. Make na say use na ear hear wetin dey happen. Youth for that area and known as na one they do am make na find as they go take do that road for na. Because I sure say this kind of thing, it could affect people. If say people never even die, I sure. If people never even die, see this man, if not be say, he dey careful, say, he go don't sleep further. If say he sleep further, die for there, uncle. What the government won't talk? Nothing. All because say road no good. And not be say they will do road for now, can't carry speed. Overweight speed, like saying that they drive game show. Now, can't they speed unnecessary speed, saying that they drive? No. Make government at least do the road first before we can know where they won't do the gaming speed running. I bet I won't do. Make Nasha do this road first. I beg government with a beg on. Anything I feel about this whole matter, make na not forget to write them inside the comment section. Make na not forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. I will see you now for the next video.